Breaking news just coming in. Delhi High Court has refused to grant permission to hold Chhat Puja celebrations. And Delhi High Court has said that petitioner seems to not be aware about the COVID situation in Delhi. The High Court says, and I quote, "You have to be alive first to celebrate rituals of any religion," unquote, says the Delhi High Court. There were protests by BJP workers yesterday in Delhi against the curbs that have been put on Chhat Puja. Anisha Mathur is now joining us live for the latest. Anisha, if you could just walk our viewers through the latest orders when it comes to the Delhi High Court in Chhat Puja. The observation made is very strong, saying you have to be alive to have any kind of celebrations. Walk our viewers through the latest that is coming. We'll try to re-establish that connection right there with you, Anisha. We are not being able to hear you. Let's fix your audio and bring you back in just about a bit. But no Delhi High Court nod for Chhat Puja celebrations here in the national capital. Given the COVID situation in the capital, the Delhi High Court goes on to say that you have to be alive first to celebrate rituals of any religions. This is the Delhi High Court's order coming in. There were protests, remember, by the Bharatiya Janata Party workers in Delhi against the curbs on Chhat Puja. All right, Anisha is back with us. Anisha?
Well, yes, Shruti, as I was saying, the Delhi High Court has made it very clear that it is not going to interfere with the Delhi government's decision. Remember, the law has gone on since the Delhi government decided to bar permissions for holding Chhat Puja in public places, in lakes, in the Yamuna River, in Delhi. Because of the rising number of cases, that is why the Delhi government had taken this decision. A petition was filed in the Delhi High Court saying that this kind of a decision would violate the religious beliefs and would affect the religious beliefs of the people of the city, and this kind of a decision should not have been taken. In fact, the petitioners had also argued that a limitation on number of people could be imposed. The puja should be allowed to go on with certain restrictions. The High Court, of course, has refused to interfere at all. In fact, as you just quoted, the observation made by the bench, they have said that you have to be alive to celebrate the festivals of any religion, and it seems that you are not aware of the situation that is happening in the capital city. So it's been made very clear by the Delhi High Court that they're not going to support any public functions. Remember, this is not the first time public functions have been barred in India. In the last couple of months, we've seen processions for Ganesh Chaturthi being stopped in Maharashtra. We've seen permissions being denied by the Supreme Court for various religious functions, including the Guru Granth Sahib, the Yatra in Nanded in Maharashtra. We've seen similar orders being passed regarding the Muharram processions. And now with Chhat Puja coming in, the Delhi government has decided not to allow, and the Delhi High Court has upheld that decision. Back to you.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Anisha, for getting us up to speed with the very latest on this particular story. In a bid to contain virus spread